Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DNA token. Name of the token is DNA, ticker symbol is also DNA. Now this token has a huge 24-hour trading volume today. It's doing very well today. It's actually trending number 20 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. This is a Sol meme coin. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on SolScan. You can also find it on Bird Eye if you're looking for the chart, or DEX Tools, or DEX Screener. Now they have a Telegram, which is at DNA_CTO, that has 13,055 Telegram members. 1,769 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members, ask questions about the project, learn more that way. They also have a Twitter that you could follow as well. And you can find the webpage, the Twitter, the Telegram, the contract address, all sorts of information and links on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. And they have here a webpage, dnacto.club. And almost everything here, it looks like, has the CTO tagline in it. And so they're basically saying here that this is a community takeover, and usually when there is a community takeover claim, that will be on the DEX Screener chart, and we'll have a look at that to make sure in a second here. But usually, when it says CTO, that means the dev has left the picture, and now the community is running the project, and they will have a community takeover claim with the date and the time and all that good stuff on their DEX Screener chart, and even their Twitter here. I just pulled up their Twitter. It says at DNA_CTO in the Twitter as well. So let's have a quick look here on DEX Screener. So this token, actually, the pair was just created 6 days, 8 hours ago on Raydium. So this is like a brand new project, less than a week old. And it doesn't say anything about a community takeover on Twitter, which is, not on Twitter, on DEX Screener. So that's kind of odd. Their webpage, their Twitter, their Telegram all say CTO, but it doesn't have the claim on DEX Screener. And I've seen that a few times today, actually, which is strange. So it says DNA is the blueprint of life, and now the foundation of a revolutionary meme coin, bridging biology and blockchain. So the DNA token celebrates the essence of evolution and innovation. With DNA, we're rewriting the crypto genome, transparent, decentralized, and unstoppable. From hodlers to innovators, this token unites a vibrant community driven by curiosity and creativity. It's not just a coin, it's a movement to evolve the way we think about memes, money, and the molecular magic of life. Now, it says here, they're also on CoinMarketCap, so you can find them on there. Their total token supply is a lot of tokens here, so that's a million, billion, trillion, 42 quadrillion, 69 trillion. So it says no taxes, it's that simple, liquidity burned, and the contract is renounced. And we could actually verify to see if the liquidity is burned here in a second. They have a contact email, DNA meme-cto@outlook.com in case you need to reach out to somebody. And this meme basically comes from a CZ tweet at CZ_Binance, which is the CEO of Binance. He tweeted out a DNA sequence looking picture, and it says hashtag Binance is in my DNA, and so that's where this meme comes from here. And on their webpage, DNACTO.club, they have links to CoinGecko, Aave.ai, Birdeye, Jupiter, Raydium, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, CoinMarketCap, and a bunch of SolScan links where you could check the LP burned, all sorts of different things there. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, or MetaMask wallet. Now, you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Also, if you want to download a wallet, you could download it from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. After you fund your wallet with Sol, you go into the dApps. You could find Raydium or Jupiter. Could be even on Orca or Meteora. And then you would trade your Sol for the DNA token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, DNACTO.club. And it's also right there on the screen, right on that Twitter right there, at DNA_CTO on Twitter. Real easy to find. You probably won't have to set slippage. And you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees when using a Solana DEX. Now, it says decode your future with DNA. Has a link to their webpage, their Telegram, the contract address, all that's on the Twitter right here. So all the links you're going to need are on the Twitter, and then there's even more when you go to the webpage there. 4,848 Twitter followers, 172 tweets, and they even have the contract address again in their pinned tweet there. So it's all over the place, real easy to find. So lastly, how is this token doing? Well, right now they have a market cap of $8.2 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. In the past 24 hours, they're up 83.64%. Just today, they've had 235,653 transactions. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $36.3 million. They have $392,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and it does say 99.88% of that total liquidity in Raydium is locked and burned. So that's great to see. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.